welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Diane, but you can call me Eve. So as you saw in the title, in this video I'll be reviewing some items from Shein that I purchased a few weeks ago. Before you leave, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video. So let's go ahead and get started on the pieces. So the first item I want to show you is this yellow tiered dress, and it's made of a cotton material. The dress is very light and airy. The dress also comes lined, so it's not see-through. I picked this dress up in an extra small, and it comes with two straps with ties at the shoulders. This dress is very cute and it's perfect for the summer. I also love the color. The dress has a low back and there is some elastic detail at the top. This dress was the most expensive item I purchased for the entire haul. I think it was $24, but I think it's worth it. The quality on this dress is good, so I highly recommend. Shein is always offering discount on their site, so I put the current one, which is available on the home page, in the description box, along with all the items that I'm going to show you today. And also, I just want to quickly mention, if you're not aware, Shein offers cashback on Rakuten, and I think I got 1% cashback or something like that, I can't remember, on my purchase. The next item that I picked up is this long sleeve floral top, and this is a very beautiful top. It reminds me of those luxurious Zimmermann tops, but of course for a fraction of the price. This blouse is made of organza, a very lightweight material, and it also has a tie detail. On the website I noted that some of the reviews says the top is a bit itchy, but this is an organza fabric and it's very lightweight. The threading inside will rub against your skin because the threading is a bit thick. So what I recommend you do is to rinse the top out in some warm fabric softener water, and that should soften the thread a bit. I did it already and I did see a difference. I highly recommend this top. It's such a beautiful piece, and I think it will last a long time in your wardrobe. I got this top in a size small, and this one was for $18. This top can be dressed up or down. It's a very versatile piece, so I highly recommend it. The next item I picked up is another floral top, and it also has a puff sleeve detailed with some pleating at the sides. The top comes in a square neck, and I picked this one up in size small. The fabric on this top is a bit stretchy. I would have preferred it in a cotton fabric, but this one is still okay. This is a very beautiful top, also perfect for summer. I love the floral detail, I love the colors, and you'll be able to style this with a number of items. The next thing I purchased was a cotton t-shirt, and it reads Mamacita needs a margarita. I picked this one up in a size small. I think small was the smallest size they have, because normally I'll get an extra small in t-shirts, and this was just $8. I love the color of this top, and I like how it complements my skin tone. I have a fall leather skirt that will go cute with this top, so for the styling part of this video I'll pair them together and see how that looks. There's nothing much to say. I appreciate that the t-shirt is 100% cotton. For those of you who know me, you know I love cotton. I prefer all my t-shirts 100% cotton, so I like this one. But one thing I'm not so fond of with Shein t-shirts is that they don't use the regular t-shirt neckline, that ribbed kind of fabric around the neck. They normally tend to hem the material for the t-shirt, so I find when you throw them in the wash they tend to stretch out a bit, so you don't get a lot of wears out of them. So Shein, if you're watching this video, that's something I really recommend that you improve. But other than that, the perfect summer color, and I love the slang of the t-shirt. So similar to all my online purchases, I don't complete my order unless I have something in black. So I picked this LBD up, this little black dress. I got this one in a size small. This dress is cotton and the fabric has a rib detail. I think this dress was only $8. This was very affordable, so I highly recommend this one. Although this was $8, the quality on this is very good. The fabric is not see-through. I love the very thin spaghetti straps that are on the dress. I find these straps to always be more flattering. I'm very satisfied with this one, and I also highly recommend it for the price. The last set of items that I picked up are accessories. I got this white belt with the gold hardware, and this was like $4, and I also got a discount on this one. I was looking for a white belt, so I decided to try this one. To be honest, I'm not really loving the quality of this belt, but I wanted a white belt to add to my wardrobe. I love the hardware at the front, but the material on the leather feels very, very cheap. I'm not sure how many wears I get out of this, and also I'll have to add some additional holes because it comes with 7 holes, but it's still a bit big on my waist. For the price, I cannot complain, but I think I'll check out the Zara or ASOS website to see if they carry a better quality white belt. The next set of accessories that I purchased are some bracelets and some rings, and they're in a gold tone color. I'm not sure how to put on the bracelets, but once I figure it out, I'll show you in the cutaway. These were on sale for like $2 on the website, very, very cheap. So I hope to get at least a few wears out of them. The tone on this is a more brassy gold and not a yellow gold, so if you're interested in purchasing these, just bear that in mind. So the final accessory and final item that I have to show you is this sunglasses that I picked up, and I picked it up in white. It comes in a really nice case, and this was just $5. So here's the sunglasses. I tried it on before, but I'm not sure if it suits me, so you can let me know what you think in the comment box, and please be nice. So that completes my haul for today. I hope you liked everything that I picked from Shein. Shein is normally my go-to store. The items are very affordable, and they normally offer free shipping. I love all the items that I purchased today, as I said, with the exception of the belt, but overall I'm happy with my purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Also comment down below which one was your favorite piece. Before you leave, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will love to have you. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.